Hello to all viewers. So today we are going with the one particular thing, which is the fear of learning language. There are the several people, even I also in my early of the stage when I was start to learning language. So that time I also have a fearful in my mind. So what should I do? What kind of content I need to consume? The several why and several questions it was raising in my mind. Even I didn't know that what should I do and what should to step in where I'm getting a chance to approaching a good learning language. So then the fearful, it's really important. It looks really scary when you see any particular person who speaks a really good language. So we start to fear, and you feel that if I'm speaking like this, then I have to approach with the people. The people will attract toward me. The people will start to paying attention on me. So this kind of fearful situation, or sometimes what kind of word I'm speaking with the people. So am I making mistake or not, even I'm hesitating or not. I will have to go to the public speaking on the stage. So there are the several fearful situation, and the questions is always raising in everyone's mind, not just you and me. It's everyone's mind. So there are the several fearful situations it's coming across to us just because of you're learning a language. But the learning language is also increasing the confidence level. The confidence is the most important part in everybody's life in these days. And how exactly you can develop your language and develop your confidence, it's fully depend on your learning English content. Because when you becoming a fluent in English, the confidence levels automatically start to build and elevate. So it's really simple. You just need to learn a good language. You just need to focus on your practice. Just keep practicing, keep trying. Automatically you will start to fix your problem and develop your confidence level. There's a single part, the single thing is not gonna missing you for you are elevating your success life. That's why the fearful questions, the fearful situations, and the fearful life, it's really simple. But how exactly the simple is to become a fluent in English? That's why just become a simple way. Don't try to focus on fluency. Just keep trying and just keep practicing. Automatically, the all scary situation and afraiding of your mind, you will start to removing, and you will get rid of all this situation, especially the scary situation and afraiding to making mistake. So best of luck, my brother. Have a nice day. Good learning.